Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe Connect for marketplaces, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Stripe Connect for your marketplace, start by creating a Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Stripe dashboard. In the dashboard, find the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Click on API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. Make sure to switch to View Test Data if you're working in test mode. Next, go to the Connect section under Developers. Choose the type of account you want to create for your marketplace. This could be either Standard, Express, or Custom. For beginners, Express accounts are often the easiest to implement. Click on Create Account to begin the process. You will be guided through setting up the account with required information. Now, integrate Stripe into your application. Use the Stripe library for the programming language of your choice. Install the library via your package manager. For example, use npm for node.js by running npm install Stripe. Create an instance of the Stripe client using your secret key. Implement the OAuth flow to connect with your marketplace users. Redirect users to the Stripe authorization URL to initiate the connection. Make sure to include your client ID in the URL for identification. After successful authorization, Stripe will redirect users back to your application. Capture the authorization code from the URL parameters. Exchange this authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to Stripe's token endpoint. Use the access token to make authenticated requests on behalf of the connected account. Store the access token securely, along with the connected account ID and any other relevant information. You can now create charges, transfers, and manage payouts for the connected accounts. Test the entire flow using test mode before going live. Make sure to check compliance with any necessary legal frameworks, such as KYC regulations. Once testing is complete, switch to live mode by using your live API keys. Regularly monitor your integration and update as necessary to ensure continued functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.